raindrops. Oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with your mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops or gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. If all